Hey everyone. Today we're going to show you how to size a ring using the inner circumference method. So basically that just means you have a ring, right? And the inner part all the way around of the inside. So there's a couple ways to do this, but a pretty easy way is just to cut out a piece of paper about, I don't know, about so wide and maybe a few inches long, depending on how big around your finger is, but you can make it longer than shorter is probably better. So just cut out this piece of paper here. Okay, and then just take the piece of paper and wrap it where your ring is going to be. So, and then you kind of want to just mark it. You can see where it overlaps right there, so we're just going to take a pen or something and just mark it like right there where you can see it overlap. So I'm just going to mark it with my fingernail here. So I didn't have a pen, but you can see where it marked it pretty clearly right there. Then you can just take centimeters. You want millimeters actually, because most of the charts go with millimeters. Some charts you can find actually go with inches, but it's more precise with the millimeters. So you want to just stretch your thing to the end there, and then where it lines up over here. So right to here is going to be, it goes to what? So each centimeter is worth 10 millimeters. So I got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and I want to say about right about here, so about 64 millimeters. Okay, so once you have the 64 millimeters, there's and that's the inner circumference. You can check out a chart on like Wikipedia for ring sizes. Here we go. So I said 64 millimeters, right? So you have the inside diameter for one way of measuring, and then you have inside circumference. And you have inches. It's harder to go by inches since it's in the decimals. I did find one which was using like eighths and stuff like that. But I checked this one out. So if you use the millimeters, what did I say, 64 millimeters basically. So scroll down. So here's one that's right on 64 millimeters. So it says the ring size is 10 3/4. So, and it has the different ones like the United States, Canada, Mexico. So 64 would be 10 3/4 basically. So let's see, I found another ring size chart. Let's see here. Oops, this one here. This one said for 64, yeah, so right around there, same exact kind of thing. So looks very similar. So that's pretty much how to do that, just using the inner circumference. You might take a pen. I just didn't have a pen handy. You might take a pen. So once again, you're just measuring where the ring would go, putting the paper around there, and then you can see, because the paper is like see-through, where exactly it's going to go through there, and you can mark it more clearly with a pen, so then you can see better. And then putting it up against, the centimeters chart. So that's one easy way to do it, using the inner circumference measurements and then looking up a ring chart online. So I hope that helped. Thanks very much for watching, and have a great day out there.